not really surprised that they struggled today because going to the UAAP, the opening, the last couple of weeks we were struggling as a group. And it showed in especially in the first half where the team wasn't really settling down. From my end as a coach, I didn't really know what to expect. Even these two guys that performed today, I didn't know what. Papunta sa game, hindi ko alam what I was gonna get from them. Yeah, it's good that they delivered today because we will need every contribution that they could give us. Not just them, but of course the rest of them.
Thank you, Coach. Nas to Royce, he had 14 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals, 1 block, and plus 15. Yun nga, medyo yung may mga opening weekend hitters, pero nagawa yung may tawid yung panalo. Anong kailangan mo individually and as a team para at least makaangat kayo this season? Anong kailangan?
For us, we really need just to work as a team and just trust one another, especially we're all shooters here, and we always love to share the ball around. So just working as a team is what we really need this coming season.
Thank you, Royce. To Matty, you had 10 points, 2 assists today in 11 minutes of action and plus 11. So, anong masasabi mo na, yun nga, yung binibigay na tiwala sa iyo ni Coach na? Anong masasabi mo?
Natural naman po yung binibigay lang po namin yung best namin. Every time na pinapasok namin, dapat ready lang po. Yun nga, nung pagpasok po, struggle po ako first half, parang didil po ako. Tapos nung second half, parang yun nga sabi ni Coach na dapat mas settle down lang. Isip lang ng kung anong ginagawa ng defense. Ayun, nakadeliver naman. Tsaka sa defense naman po, yun, tingin lang sa mga saan sila magaling, kung saan sila shooter or magaling.
Thank you, Matty. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Ayun, Coach, paano nyo lang po siguro ginising or minotivate yung team na yun nga, kasi 7 points lang po kayo ng first quarter. So paano nyo lang po na-overcome yun? Tapos na lamangan nyo pa ng 18 ng second half?
7 points first quarter. Tapos second quarter lang. Nakailan pa kami half.
7 points per score.
Well, I don't know if you've noticed that almost the whole first half, I wasn't really standing up, not really coaching. They weren't hearing anything from me because I was expecting them to really not settle down as players. Ganyan, pag opening game, sabi ko nga sa during halftime, I reminded that the first team that settles down most likely will be the one to execute better. FEU did that in the first half. Yeah, credit to the players that they have. They have veterans, di ba sila Anunuevo, Bautista, and then they even have rookies who are, I consider veterans kasi mga babad sa laro yan sa high school, no? Pureda, and Pasaol. Diba? So that's why I was surprised that they settled down first. No? It took us maybe 30 minutes. No. 25 minutes before we started settling down. Yeah. Naka-adjust yung players. Bumaba yung emotion nila ng konti in second half. That's why they were able to make better decisions.
So Coach, sa following games, ina-expect niyo po na hindi na magiging ganito yung start niyo?
Well, sana. No, sana. But again, just like what I told you earlier, I didn't really know what to expect coming into the game. So siguro ganun din sa no, sa mga susunod na games. No? It's really up to the players. No? They get a lot of freedom, but at the same time, may responsibility that comes with it. So I think something that they are learning as individuals, as a team. Even si Royce, this is just the first first time that he played under us. He was playing really well kanina until that, I think, last 3-minute mark where he tried something. That's why he ended up in the nakapula dun sa tabi namin. So, yeah, it's a learning process. Hopefully, yeah, this season matutunan na nila lang.